Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Syncee for product sourcing automation, full guide step by step clearly. To install Syncee for product sourcing automation, begin by navigating to the Syncee website. Once there, locate the Get Started button on the home page. Click on it to be directed to the registration page. Fill in the required fields with your email address and a secure password. After completing the form, click Sign Up to create your account. Check your email for a confirmation message from Syncee. Open the email and click the confirmation link to verify your account. Once your account is confirmed, return to the Syncee website and log in. After logging in, you will be greeted by the Syncee dashboard. Explore the dashboard to familiarize yourself with available features. To add your store, find the My Stores section on the dashboard. Click Add New Store to initiate the store integration process. Choose your e-commerce platform from the list provided. Follow the specific integration instructions for your selected platform. You may need to provide API keys or connect your account directly. Once your store is connected, navigate to the Product Sourcing tab. Here, you can browse for products that meet your business needs. Utilize filters to narrow down your product search easily. Select products by clicking the checkbox next to each item. After selecting desired products, click the Import button. Review your selections and confirm the import process. The products will now be added to your store inventory automatically. Once the import is complete, check your store to view the newly added items. You can customize product details within your store as needed. To manage product updates, return to the Syncee dashboard. Set the frequency for product syncs to keep your inventory current. Explore additional settings to tailor Syncee to your business model. With everything set up, you're ready to streamline your product sourcing. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.